Professional Hair Detanglers is offering discounted detangle services. They are urgently calling customers with very tangled matted knotty dreadlocks in hair for detangle training videos. Faces of clients will not be shown in videos. Client must speak on video about their experience with very matted tangled hair. Discount is available in Atlanta, Georgia, USA only. We only use Takedown Remover Detangler Cream. Untreated matted hair may look like rat's nest. Untangling matted hair is one of the toughest and almost impossible tasks. For dematting matted tangled hair, we offer the best hair detailing services in. Majority of the beauty salons do not have time for matted tangled hair problem as it takes hours. Tangled Hair Techs is a professional hair detangling service known for using Takedown Remover Detangler Expertise hair detangling product. Customers who want special video discount must speak on video. No faces shown. Why is it considered vain to pray for help with tangled hair? God gives us wisdom for everything if you ask. You can request for assistance in prayer always. Detangling your matted tangled hair is important to Jesus. $150 off per day of professional hair detangler services for full head of matted tangled hair. Call us today for an appointment. 1-206-600-3036. Email help@hairdetanglerschool.com.
Hi, this is a video for matted and detangled hair. I've been in this situation for approximately 9 to 11 months. Due to a beautician, she wound up putting braids in my hair for maintenance and the summertime, and I thought that by taking a shower and using dry shampoo that it would help the situation, but it didn't help the situation, and it wound up just drying up and drying out, and couldn't detangle it. So I wound up going to tutorials, looking through, and found hair detanglers, and hopefully they could do the job. So here I am.